Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 141. Which tense describes two past actions, one of which was ongoing while the other happened? A. As I cooked, my sister watched TV. B. As I was cooking, my sister was watching TV. C. As I have cooked, my sister has watched TV. D. As I cook, my sister watches TV. Correct answer, as I was cooking, my sister was watching TV. Past continuous tense. Question number 142. Which tense describes a future action that will be happening over a specific period? A. This evening, I work on my project. B. This evening, I will work on my project. C. This evening, I will be working on my project. D. This evening, I have worked on my project. Correct answer, this evening, I will be working on my project. Future continuous tense. Question number 143. Which tense is used for an action that will be fully completed before a specific future time or event? A. By the time the movie starts, I will buy popcorn. B. By the time the movie starts, I will have bought popcorn. C. By the time the movie starts, I am buying popcorn. D. By the time the movie starts, I buy popcorn. Correct answer, by the time the movie starts, I will have bought popcorn. Future perfect tense. Question number 144. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and continues right up to the present moment? A. We are studying English for 3 hours. B. We have studied English for 3 hours. C. We have been studying English for 3 hours. D. We study English for 3 hours. Correct answer, we have been studying English for 3 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 145. Which tense expresses an unchangeable future event, example sunrise? A. The sun rises at 6 a.m. tomorrow. B. The sun is rising at 6 a.m. tomorrow. C. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. tomorrow. D. The sun rose at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Correct answer, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Simple future tense for inevitable events. Question number 146. Which tense is used to talk about annoying habits, especially with always? A. He always complains. B. He is always complaining. C. He always complained. D. He will always complain. Correct answer, he is always complaining. Present continuous tense. Question number 147. Which tense describes a completed past action, without a specific time, but indicating its existence? A. I read that book last year. B. I have read that book. C. I am reading that book. D. I will read that book. Correct answer, I have read that book. Present perfect tense. Question number 148. Which tense describes an action that was interrupted by another action in the past? A. While I cooked, my phone rang. B. While I was cooking, my phone rang. C. While I have cooked, my phone rang. D. While I cook, my phone rings. Correct answer, while I was cooking, my phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 149. Which tense indicates a future action that will be in progress over a specific duration or at a precise future moment? A. At 3 p.m., I take my exam. B. At 3 p.m., I will take my exam. C. At 3 p.m., I will be taking my exam. D. At 3 p.m., I have taken my exam. Correct answer, at 3 p.m., I will be taking my exam. Future continuous tense. Question number 150. Which tense describes a past action that happened before another past action, emphasizing the cause? A. She was late because she missed the bus. B. She was late because she had missed the bus. C. She is late because she misses the bus. D. She will be late because she will miss the bus. Correct answer, she was late because she had missed the bus. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.